Coming to the next class, that is Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions in the Python programming language. Boolean means 0 and 1, true or false. Okay, the Boolean expression is an expression which results, the result of the Boolean expression is either true or false. Okay, there are so many of applications are there for the Boolean expressions in any programming language. Okay, here observe this. First, we are going to discuss about the theoretical part of the Boolean expressions. Then we can go for the how to use this Boolean expressions in the Python spider. Okay, let's discuss about this. Here, double equal to is a operator which checks the equality between the two operands. Okay, here this double equal to is the operator. Here observe this 5 and 2 is to be the two operands. 5 and 2 is to be the two operands. If 5 and 2 is equal, then the result of this expression is to be the true. That is like this. This is the true. Okay, but here 5 is not equal to 2. So the result of this expression is false. So we are going to specify the false like this. Here in the false, we need to consider about the first letter is to be the capitals, that is uppercase. Okay, and here in the false also, in the false also, in the true also, the first letter is to be the uppercase. Okay, here observe this. And one more statement, 5 equal double equal to 2, it is a true. Okay, so the statement we can get the result of this expression is true. Okay, and here not only this equal to operator, some of the operators are there in the relational expressions, that is not equal to operator, less than operator, less than or equal to operator, greater than operator, greater than or equal to operator. All of these operators will return either true or false. This is to be the Boolean expressions, Boolean operators. Then we can go for the logical operators. These operators is called a conditional operators. This operators is also called as a conditional operators. Okay, and here conditional operator will check the condition. That means compares the two operands, either it is to be equal or less than, greater than, like that comparison is possible by using this conditional operators. After this conditional operators, we need to go for the logical operators and logical expressions. Here observe this. Logical operators. In the Python, there are three logical operators. One is logical and, logical or, logical not. These are the three operators in the Python. Okay, here logical and logical or, and logical not. Okay, here observe this. The logical operators are used to combine the two relational expressions. The two relational expressions can be combined by using this logical operators. Here observe this. Okay, this expression is to be the true and this expression is to be the 2. That is expression 1 and expression 2. If both are true, then this will become true in the logical AND operation. That means here in the logical AND, if we observe the truth table for this logical AND, okay, if it is true and first expression is to be the true and second expression is to be the true. Okay, first expression is to be the true and the second expression is to be the false. Okay, here observe this. First expression is to be the true and second expression is to be the true and the logical and value is to be the true. That is, this is expression 1. Okay, I will make you clear. Now observe this truth table for this logical and, logical or and logical not. Here observe this. This is the expression 1 and this is the expression 2. Expression 1 and this is the logical operator and expression 2. If the first expression is the true and the second expression is the true, then the resultant expression after applying and on the two expressions, we can get the result as a true. The same true false, we can get the false, and false true, we can get the false, false false, we can get the false. Okay, this is the logical AND operation and logical OR operation. Here observe this expression 1 and expression 2. Okay, both expression 1 or expression 2. In this case, if the both operands are false, the result is to be the false. In the remaining all cases, the result is to be the true. In case of AND, okay, if both in case of AND, if the two expressions are to be the true, then the result is to be the true. Then in the remaining cases, all are to be the false. In the OR case, if the both operands are false, the result is to be the false. In the NOT case, okay, in the NOT, the expression 1, if the expression 1 is true, it makes the false. And if the expression 1 is false and it makes true, okay, that means it will make the inverse. That means if the expression 1 is true, it will be converted into false. Expression 1 is false, it will convert into the true. This is to be the logical operators. Now we discuss these things in our spider. Now observe this, the same thing. Here 5 double equal to 2. If we are going to press the shift enter, we can get the false. You can observe this false. The result of this Boolean expression is to be the false. Okay, you can clearly understand F is to be a caps 1. Okay, and here observe this. If the 5 equal to 5, that means this condition is true. You can clearly identify the true. Okay, this is like this way we can use this Boolean expressions, that is logical operators. Sorry, this relational operators, that is conditional operators, we can as we like. Okay, for example, 5 not equal to 2. Okay, we can get the true because 5 is not equal to 2. And the same 5 less than 2, false. 5 greater than 2, we can get true. Like this, we can use this relational operators according in our programs. Okay, and here logical operators. How to use this logical operators? Logical, I already told you that. Okay, here observe this. 5 is greater than 2 and 10 is less than 25. Okay, the both conditions are true, then the result is becomes true. So we can use this and for combining the two relational expressions. The same we can use okay, 5 is less than 2 and 10 less than 25. Okay, we can get the false. Okay, one interesting fact in the calculation of AND is whenever the first condition will becomes false, it will not check the second condition, because if any one of the condition will becomes false, the result will become false. So no need to check the second condition, because this expression result will also becomes the false. So if the first condition is false, it will not check the second condition. It will just conclude the result as a false. Okay. And if the first condition is true, then only it will go evaluates the second condition. Okay, and here how to use this R? Okay, you can take the same expression here. We can take the same expression and we can make the R. We can use the R and we can press the true, because any of the condition is true. And here also one of the interesting fact is whenever one condition will becomes true, it will not evaluate the second condition, because the result of any of the condition will becomes true, the result will becomes the true. So it will evaluate only one expression. Sorry, it will evaluate the first expression. If it is true, it will not evaluate the second expression. If it is false, it will evaluate the second expression for searching the true to make the result as a true. Okay, this is how we can use this OR operator. And next, how to use this NOT operator. Okay, here observe this NOT 5 less than 2. Okay, you can take it as a true, because 5 less than 2 is to be a false. Okay, but this NOT will makes inverse of the result. That means the false is to be converted into true. The same thing here, not 5, sorry, 5 greater than 2. This is actually true, but not will makes as a false. This is how we can use this relational operators and logical operators in the Python. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss about the conditional execution, that is if statement.